Thought pink polos I hurt the rock before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street.
Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Shesyourfave, and if you're not new here, hey, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with WestKissHair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous body wave unit. It is a 13 by 6 HD lace frontal wig unit in 24 inches, 250 density, and body wave, of course. This texture is gorgeous. The hair is full of life and bouncy. And in today's tutorial, I showed you guys how I did a quick and easy glueless install. This wig is going to be so easy to come off, and I love it here. We are all about the changing up of wigs, switching up our styles, and if you're looking for something fitting your head snug, you don't have to do too much for it to be glueless, this is definitely the unit for you. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
Started Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's the KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. And baby, I'll go home before my night. You know I get hit and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. You come by, fuck with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down. See me broke down. Trip stars, every day. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a trip vacation. Every day, shit, every night, shit, every day, shit, every night, shit, every day, shit. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's the KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. And baby, I'll go home before my night. You know I get hit and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. Fuck with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down. See me broke down. Trip stars, every day. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a trip vacation. Every day, shit, every night, every day, shit, every day, shit, every day. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's the KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night. And baby, I'll go home before my night. You know I get hit and spend the night. Oh my gosh. Wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another look. Fuck with me at the marsh. All the boys wanna see me broke down. See me broke down. Trip stars.
to. You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you could never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I hate the hardest nigga you done never heard? I left up like a rapper's dead and burned. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It did the math, it's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe.
So this is the final look, and this gorgeous wig is from WestKissHair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x6 250 density body wave unit in 24 inches, and girl, everything. When I tell you this wig is super full from the top to the bottom, like bouncy, flowy, full of life. I'm loving this hair right now, and this is perfect for a date night. I wasn't having any shedding, tangling, none of those crazy issues. So if that's what you're wondering about, nope, not over at WestKiss. I'm very much here for these gorgeous curls from WestKiss. So thank you so much. And this wig did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-curled. I did have to go ahead and put some curls back in there because of course I'm gonna do my own little touch-ups, but honestly super beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner and you just want a nice thick long bust down middle part body wave wig, this gorgeous wig is the wig for you. So thank you so much to WestKiss for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.